Good morning. Thank you for coming to this presentation and honor to meet you here. Let me introduce myself. My name is GEDE Yoga Adi Wiranata NIT 082000091103. My number absent 9. Prodi D4 TRKK. Number 1. Give the definition of high voltage system on the ship. As the ship size and capacity increase, bigger machinery equipment are installed to ensure its operational efficiency. However, high voltage is used only for a few important machinery systems, usually a 3-phase 60 Hz 440-volt supply is generated and distribution on board ship. As the ship size increases, there is a need to install more powerful engine and other machinery systems. This increase in size of equipment demands more electrical power and higher voltage. Any voltage used on a ship if less than 1 kilovolt or 1000 volt is called a low voltage system, and any voltage above 1 kilovolt is termed a high voltage system. Why do many ships need a high voltage system? Let us assume that a ship generates BMW of power at 440 volt from 4 diesel generator set of 2 MW 0.8 power factor each generator, feeder cable and circuit breaker as to handle a full load current of. Number 3. Why does the power loss need to be reduced? The power loss varies by square of the current carried by the conductor. If the supply voltage is 440 volt, then the current carried by the conductor is 0.002 V, and if the voltage is raised to 6600 volt, then the current carried for the same power is. Thus, it implies that the power loss is reduced by a greater extent if the voltage is stepped up. Also, it is always efficient to transmit power at a higher voltage. Conversely, reducing the resistance of the conductor can reduce the power loss. Okay, my friend, in this presentation, we will discuss maritime English for high voltage system on ship. Thank you for your listening. My all thoughts we have shared be beneficial for all of us.